Soludo, you are dead already. Gentle is telling you this. Because we are Biafrans, we are coming. Soludo, we are coming.
No woman or man can destroy the Biafra Liberation Army. To hell with all the enemies of Biafra.
It will not be open tomorrow. It will not be open on Wednesday. It will not be open on Thursday. It will not be open on Friday. It will open again on Monday.
Soludo has no power in Anambra State to stop any sit-at-home. He has no power. We will continue this every Monday until the end of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's the trial.
Why are you trying to control people? Are you in there, mean? Your downfall is very, very close, Soludo.
Soludo mepo ni ya sige ni wini ga biarere ahia. Kanjogi Soludo, ndi na agbara ge boy.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
So, Biafrans, you can as well see that the commander of the Biafra Liberation Army, Major General Yahoo, already warned Charles Soludo to stay away from intimidating Biafrans in Anambra State. That whatever thing he's doing, that he should stay clear in intimidating the Biafrans of Anambra State. Yet, Charles Soludo does not heed to that instruction because he has already won his second tenure. So he is doing whatever thing he likes. Does it mean that he doesn't like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Or is he actually working for the interests of Anambrarians or his own political interests? That is the question everyone or so many people are asking today. Dear friends, what do you think that is going on? The governor of Anambra State, is he challenging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Or could it be that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has already called off this Monday sit-at-home? Is it true? According to them. According to DOX, because I think DOS released their own press statement, saying that Biafrans should stop this Monday sit-at-home. Well, I don't really think if it is true, allegedly, but with time, everything go clear for us.
Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 27th of January 2026, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see that this one is happening live and direct in Biafran land, Anambra State. Precisely, the governor of the state, Mr. Charles Soludo, is insisting that markets should start that they should start opening on Mondays. You know the reason for closing these markets on Mondays in Biafra land? Because of the solidarity the people of Biafrans have for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because of the incarceration, the unlawful justice of Nigeria against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and that made the people of Biafra land to go in solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by closing their shops and their working places every Monday. But this one is not going down well with the governor of Anambra State, as he is threatening fire and brimstone on traders that refuses to open their shops on Mondays.
Most people here who keep their shops locked, we don't know wherever you come from. Wherever you come from, Anambra is open to everybody. Everybody is welcome to trade in Anambra. But if you must trade here, you must abide by the rules. Yes. And the rules are that markets are open Monday to Saturday. If you are not prepared to open your shops Monday to Saturday, then leave Anambra, go to elsewhere. Simple. Period. Okay? Yes. So this market will be shut down for the remainder of this week. It will not be open tomorrow. It will not be open on Wednesday. It will not be open on Thursday. It will not be open on Friday. It will open again on Monday. And if we come on Monday, you want what? I don't want. People are joking. People are joking.
All right, good evening, good afternoon, good morning to every one of you, depending on your time zone. Once again, this evening, there is a news making rounds the whole internet this evening of what Chalengwamba for Soludo, the Anambra State governor, said today that anybody in Onitsha market that refuses to come to market on Mondays, that their shop will be completely shut down. And that this week, from this week till Saturday, is total lockdown, and the markets will resume back on Monday next week. And we use this opportunity to tell Anambarians, tomorrow you go about your lawful business. Soludo has no power in Anambra State to stop any sit-at-home. He has no power. Soludo has no power to enforce any sit-at-home in Biafran land. Biafra is gradually taking over their country. And remember, Biafra has been redeclared by Dr. Ngozi Arabueze. So, from the government of United States of Biafra, Dr. Ngozi Arabueze has issued a press statement via our ex-handle. All Biafrans must go back to their work. Every Monday remains sit-at-home for the civil disobedience of releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa Njoko. The reason why we do that is because our leaders are illegally detained in Nigeria and in Finland. So tomorrow is a market day. We will continue this every Monday until the end of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's the trial. Nobody can stop it. I see a lot of you writing rubbish on my comment section. I see this man that I respect so much. What's his name again? I can't remember his name now. That is saying that sit-at-home I never gave for a very long time. J-Park, yes. His name is J-Park. Why are they fighting to stop that sit-at-home? Why is the government of Nigeria trying to stop that sit-at-home? They have jailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In order for that sit-at-home to stop, he refuses to die a natural death. They have started coming out. Caution your your illegitimate governors. Caution them. J-Park, caution your people. J-Park, Wandibe Soludo. They should not put hand in our mouth again. Let them respect themselves. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released until that sit-at-home stops. Soludo has no right to stop any sit-at-home every Monday. And he has no right to instruct the marketers not to come to markets at a particular day and particular time. He doesn't have that right. It is only the USB government that has that right. So Soludo should know that. If Soludo continues like this, J-Park, we will disgrace his children in London here. So tell him that we are standing with the people. We are standing with the Chanja market. We are standing with the market in the whole of Anambra State. Soludo has no power, legal right to stop anybody from exercising his due diligence. This government, look at the people that they are coming to instruct on the Watalombo, people that suffered, people that went through turbulence to make those money that they use to put market in their shop, and you now have the effrontery to instruct them not to do that business. Asigekwa, you can't do it. It can never happen. Biafra, we are taking over. Tomorrow, return back to the market. If any Biafra goes down by the barrels of the guns of Nigerian terrorist government, Wallahi Soludo, you won't see it coming. You will not see it coming. I swear down. You carry security, cover yourself, and now expose these people to danger. Nobody should come out every Monday. Every Monday, sit at home and do your due diligence. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released before they start talking about the end of sit at home. So from here to me, to Biafrans, tomorrow is work. Go to your market and sell your market. This is the same Soludo. When Obogu market was shut down for 8 months or thereabouts, he never spoke. The government have paid him now. They have instructed him because they are failing in every way. They have paid him now to come out and instigate violence. It's not going to happen. It can't happen. Will never happen under our watch. Biafra has been redeclared. And that is the simple truth. So tomorrow, Biafrans, you will come out and do your jobs. Thank you. May God bless you people from here. We stand with you people. Nothing. They can't do you anything. Oh, why you fire, man? It's just empty threats. They can't do anything. If Soludo likes, let him try it. Let him try it. To lock anybody's shop. Lock out shop. Let him lock any Biafran shop. Tomorrow, all of you should march to the market. He has no power to do nothing. Nothing, I said. Nothing. Thank you, Biafrans, and may God bless you people from here.
So we thought that he was joking until this very moment that he kicks off by banning the traders in Onitsha Main market. That's one of the largest markets we have in West Africa. Onitsha Main market, Soludo went there to his greatest surprise after threatening people that they must open, if not that he's going to shut down the market, and people did not listen to him, and he went there yesterday, being Monday 26th of January 2026, yes, and indefinitely people did not come to market as he expected, and then he now threatened them, and then he shut down the market, saying that the market is not going to open again until the following coming Monday. I think that coming Monday should be February, if I'm not mistaken, or that should be, yes, Saturday is 31st, so that should be 1st, 2nd, that is 2nd of February.
This my message is going directly to Soludo. Soludo, you have to be careful. You are misusing the power given to you. You are misusing it. Even God that created us give us free will. You don't know what is free will. I thought you are a professor, illiterate professor. Emma, the time you started taking all these things, all this stuff you are taking, that is the time you started misbehaving. Soludo, you have to be very, 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 very careful. You are a very stupid man. You are very, very stupid, Soludo. You are fucking bullshit. I say, Soludo, I say you are fucking bullshit. You are stupid. You don't have sense. Do work that they appoint you to do. Why are you controlling people? Are you God? Did God control you? God that created us give us free will to do whatever we want. If I want, I will not come to my shop. It's not your business. You never give any of them money to use to start business. Why are you trying to control people? Are you in there, mean? Your downfall is very, very close, Soludo. And all those things that you say, you can admonish, you can level the market. You can't do it. You are a bastard animal. You can't do it. What the hell are you talking? Is it because people are keeping quiet? That is why I say Igbo youth need to stand up. If we fuck up like this, we will fuck you up. By now, say your Facebook and your what do they call it? Your Twitter and Instagram supposed to be shut down because you are a traitor, Soludo. Go and sit you down. Are you stupid? Do you know what you are saying, Soludo? I say you are very, very stupid man. Eh? You want to control people? Are you God? Did God control anybody? Is it not God give us free will? Are you stupid? Look at this animal called Soludo. Look at this man. Is it because people are keeping quiet? You will receive it hot. You will receive. You don't know what you are doing. You will receive. Try what you want to do now and see whether you will not receive it hot, idiot.
Soludo. Ndị baye ọkwụ na afụgo na ihe a na-ekwu ofu kwa ha ka na-ekwu kemgbe ka na-ekwu. Kedu ihe mere Soludo ga-eji dị oge ji na-ewute Soludo na mmadụ mechiri shop ya, o jiri ego ya go were ego ya nwa onye ngwaahịa. Kedu ihe ọ ga-eji wuru ihe na-eri Soludo nni n'ahụ na mmadụ sị gị na ya chọrọ imechi biznes nke aka ya n'ụbọchị taa? Ihe ndị a na-agbakwanụ mgbe were ihe ọzọ ka echefuo Nnamdi Kanu, ka ha na-agba mbọ agbasi ike ka ha hụ na enweghị ezi onye na-ekwu maka Nnamdi Kanu shakam. Ọgwụkwala onweghị ihe ọzọ ha na-eme, onweghị ihe ọzọ ha na-eche, onweghị ihe ọzọ ha na-ekwu. Dịka o ji eme ebe ọbụla ha na-ekwute okwu Nnamdi Kanu, ọ na-agba ndị ya agba na ntị na ndị mepere shop ha. Soludo ga-ejezi were ndị polisi na ndị amị sọrọ ngasị na ha magwa mepe shop ọzọ, na iwu na ha ga-emeperịrị shop ha mbọsị Monde ọ na ha laa na ya ga-ejikwuri katapila wee gbarisie shop ha. Ihukudu ụdị okwu si mmadụ n'ọnụ apụta, onye kpọrọ onwe onye ọchịchị obodo ndị Anambra. shop mmadụ jiri ego ya bido ka ị na-threaten na ị ga-eji katapila wee jee gbarisie gborisie ma ngwaahịa ma ihe niile na ya n'ime. Ọ na-eme nchekata ihe ndị be anyị na-eme ibe ha. Nchekata ihe ndị be anyị na-eme ibe ha, ọ na-agba m anya mmiri. Nsogbu anyị niile si anyị n'aka, nsogbu anyị niile ewu ndị be anyị. Ndị be anyị na-eme anyị na-emekasịcha anyị. Soludo mepe ọnụ ya sị gị na iwu na ị ga-abịarịrị ahịa. Ka njụọ gị Soludo, ndị a na-agbara gị bọị, ndị ọ na-agbara gị ohu, ha na-arụ na kedu ihe a na-akpọ ya gọvanọ steeti haus. Soludo, ị na-akwụ ndị ụgwọ ọnwa. Kedu ihe ị ga-eji enye mmadụ kọndishọn otu ọ ga-esi eme biznes nke ya nwa? Ọ maka gịnị ka ị ga-eji na-enye mmadụ kọndishọn, atụmatụ ọ ga-eji eme biznes nke ya nwa? O jiri ego ya oge ọ ga-apụta ma oge ọ ga-achịpụta ma mbọsọ ọ ga-etinye ego ya ma mbọsọ. Maka gịnị Soludo? Soludo amanye gị iwu na onye ọbụla mepere shop ya na ọ ga-agbachi ya permanent, and then ha bụ ibu mere ya akụsasịa shop niile ma ngwaahịa na ihe niile dị ya n'ime ya ga-etikpọsịa. Ihe Soludo kwuru. Ọgwụ na afụgonu na-ekwu na ihe na-eme anyị si anyị n'aka. Ụtọ na-eri azụ na azụ n'ime. Ihe na-eme ndị Igbo nọ ndị Igbo n'ime. Onye bilitekwenu, onye pụta echi, onye pụta o mewe ka ezigbo mmadụ. Oge Naijiria nye ya ọchịchị, o gosima gị na ihe ya bịara ọchịchị awụ igbusi ụmụnne ya. A na-agụzi ndị Soludo gburu egbu. Soludo si gị nọọ ndị na-achọ Biafra na-egbusi mmadụ, mana a na-eche ka ejide ofu onye nke ndị ha na-egbu mmadụ, ndị na-atọghara mmadụ n'ike, gasị gị nọọ Biafra ka ya na-eme. Enwebeghị onye gosiri m. Ihe na-eme anyị osi anyị n'aka. Ihe ahụ na-atọ ụtọ n'ime ihe, ọ dị n'ime ihe ahụ.
Soludo, wụchaa ntị ka m gwa gị, wepụ aka n'ife gbasara Biafra, fesi ọchịchị Anambra steeti. Ka ị ghara ibido nwebe nsogbu ka ndị ọzọ. Gịnị bụ na Mọnde na anyị ebido pụba afịa? Soludo, ị bụ a businessman. Ọ gị ka ọ kacha ewute efe na-aṅụrụ paracetamol n'isi na-awa onye ọzọ. Ụzọ akwachi ibe onye ọzọ ya akwabikwenere ya aka. Soludo, ife bala ọra tụkwa anụ gị mgbọrọ. Ọra siela ofu onye ya ericha, ma ofu onye siela ọra ya erichakwenu. Soludo, uche ịdịkwa ya, uche ịdị ya, maka adị ama Onitsha gwara ugosi ịghọta fesi ọchịchị gọvanọ Anambra gị.
Nah, wow, Soludo is taking it too much. People are not happy with what Soludo is doing. Now, listen to so many people. I cannot actually put all their videos here, but the internet is breaking. People are, in fact, calling Soludo all sort of names. Soludo, just because he won his second tenure, and now he is doing everything possible. You know, he started this thing. You know, he wanted to show his power when he initially entered as the governor of Anambra State, but he could not do anything, and he piled low. But this particular one that he is using this method again on people, is it because he has won his second tenure or what? Well, all the time we tell, like we always say.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, lovers of freedom, pending your time where you come across my video and where you're watching me from. Yes, today being the 26th day of January 2026, a very wonderful day indeed, and a day that we use to observe the sit-at-home every Monday in the whole of the Southeast. And I heard one governor, which is Soludo, the delegitimized Soludo, threatening Biafrans that if they don't come out on Mondays, that they would lock their shops and the people going to work or the civil servants, their salaries will be deducted. And most of them will not even get their salary. Now, civil disobedience is your right. Governor, the delegitimized governor of Anambra State, Soludo, has no right to intimidate or put anybody in fear because of the sit-at-home every Monday. Now, there is peace in the Southeast because of what Trump did on the 25th of December 2025. Because of that, the Nigerian government has, adjusted a bit, in coming to the Southeast openly to open fire on innocent people. Now, Soludo is trying to bring that chaos back to the Southeast, and we are here to condemn it. And we say, Soludo, if any of Biafran citizens, anybody dares have scratch on their body, then we'll tell you how prepared we are. Your children are in this country. They are in London, right? Your children are in London. Maybe we'll start calling them out so that you will understand how serious we are. If anything happens to Anambarians, then you will understand how serious we are. You can't put your children in this country and start disorganizing the Southeast. All of you are traitors and foolish people. You cannot do that. If you do that, we'll call out your children in this country. Enough of this, your madness. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Biafrans has a right to stay at home. That is their way of telling the world that they're sick and tired of being in Nigeria. That is their right. It is called civil disobedience in law. So they have a right to tell the world, we don't want to be part of Nigeria again. You cannot force us to be in a very bad marriage. So, Ludo, you don't have that right to intimidate and to assault Biafrans. If you do that, we will call you out. You will find out how twisted we can be. And this is not a threat. If any Biafran complain about this is at home that you are trying to push, Soludo, we will call your children out here. We will call them out. Because most of you are very dumb in the head. Some of the people now, our mothers and fathers will come out now and start supporting this animal, Soludo. If Soludo finishes, this is four-year tenure, he will run away. They never stay in Anambra State to enjoy the chaos that they have caused when they were in power. They never stay in the Southeast. The former governor of Anambra State, when he finished and handed over to Soludo, he ran to America. He ran to America. He's in America enjoying the best of life there. So Soludo, we know that this has actually been you people's pattern. When you finish destroying an Igbo, milking us, enslaving us, you run. You will run to Obodo Igbo and go and start living there because you people have amassed so much wealth, that your next generation cannot even finish. To fund your children's lifestyle in abroad, you steal our money and put us in bondage. It cannot happen. If you people try that nonsense in the Southeast, in Anambra State, then we will not hold back in what we want to do. Believe you me, we will not hold back. Let any Biafra complain of headache. Let any Biafra complain of headache. Very foolish people. You will destroy an Igbo. You will scatter everywhere. Destroy. You people, the way an Igbo is quiet now, you don't like it. None of you like it. Terrible people. Again, Biafrans. Sorry, Barrister. Barrister Emeka came out some days ago, I think yesterday, which is on the 25th of January, and, told us what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. Now, I want you guys not to be angry. I want you guys to understand these messages of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has actually debunked the lies of Lolo Chimezie Nneka, whatever she calls her name, that traitor, because I've often known that she was a traitor. She's paid agent by the Nigerian state. We all know that. I know that right from the beginning. Now, some of the things that Barrister Emeka said, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, he mentioned DOS 2 times, and this is more powerful. Listen, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not well detailed of what is going on. It's not well detailed. So when you see him, he's a leader. When you see him say everybody to come together, he's actually saying it because he doesn't understand the damages that the DOS has caused in this fight. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been incarcerated for 10 years. And you know when I say 10 years, it's 5 years concurrently running day and night. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been incarcerated for 10 years. So he does not have the knowledge of what is happening. Remember, he doesn't have access to gadgets. He does not have access to, free speech. When it was in free discussion, rather, when it was in DSSS, they all monitor everything he was doing. So you don't blame Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or rather fight, what is it called? Barrister Nnemeka. All of them are doing well. They are doing their job. It is when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out from the prison that he will understand what is going on. So Barrister Nnemeka has just conveyed a message in which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave to Biafrans, gave us, the genuine Biafrans, to follow. Not these traitors. Not these traitors. Yes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said he founded, DOS. Yes, he has a right to say that, okay, this is what to do. This is what we must not do. Why? Because he is not well detailed. Remember, it is the same DOS members, including Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife, that jailed, submitted petitions against Mazi Simon Ekpa. With the help of Bianca Olo, they told them that Simon is an evil man. So all this concocted story will be told to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as well. So what we are going to do is to follow our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, and Dr. Ngozi Orabueze until the final decision is being made in court. Tomorrow is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing. So until the final decision is being made in court. So that is what I am going to tell we Biafrans. That let us be patient. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't have the full knowledge of what is going on. It doesn't have. And that is why the government of Nigeria is hell-bent in destroying what we are doing, or what we have done. Now look at when they went to bring Lord on neck at whatever her name is. She went too far by asking Mazi Nnamdi, Simon Ekpa, Simon. She went too extremely far. Extremely. So, on this note, I want you guys to understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has no full knowledge. From what Barrister Nnemeka said yesterday, I understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has no full knowledge of what is happening. Doesn't have. So don't blame him for saying certain things. Nobody should see Barrister Nnemeka as an enemy. When we see that coming from those angles, we know. So he has not done anything wrong as to speak. He has not said what no man shouldn't have said. So he's still on the right track because he has just conveyed a message by our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And so therefore, we will all wait for another distinct response. Now, doesn't mean that we will fall back to DOS. Doesn't. No. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot tell us to go back to DOS and we'll listen to him. You know why? Because he's detained. He doesn't have the full knowledge of what is going on in that, what is going on outside the confined space where he is in detention. So Biafrans, thank you so much. I love you guys, and may God bless you guys from here.
Hold your peace, Nigerians. Look at this bingo, calling others bingo. Udele. Why are you running helter-skelter? Udele, why are you afraid? On hearing Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo is still alive. Have you forgotten? Mid last year you made a post stating Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo is dead. Were you not the one that made the post? You are in the best position to explain to Nigerians what actually happened to those guys. You are in the best position to tell us what transpired between Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo. If peradventure Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo is spotted anywhere around Imo State or Okigwe, as you rightly mentioned, Udele, you are in the best position to tell us what happened, because we knew you foiled their fall last year. You foiled it. Today you are asking unnecessary questions. You are asking your ancestors to know the origin of the news that says Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo was spied by Nigeria soldier last year. Udele, you shame, they shame me. Your days are numbered. As many of you that is ganging up against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will fall for his sake. Yes, you will go down 6 feet for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's sake. Yes, Udele, stop being afraid. Go back to your father's house, Imo State. Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo is dead, and they remain dead men. That is just the truth. Anywhere you spot them around Imo State, they are nothing but ghosts. Why must a living be afraid of a ghost? You shouldn't be afraid of a ghost. Yes, don't be afraid of a ghost, because Angel Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo is dead, and that is final. Stop being afraid. Go back to your father's house. Like I said earlier, a clear conscience fears no accusation. Why are you afraid? You made a post, you celebrated it mid last year when Nigeria soldiers captured them and tied them at the spot. You celebrated it. Today, you bingo is on social media ranting, crying that you need to know the source. that people that spread the news need to be arrested. You are the prime suspect with delay because you posted the video countless time on your page that the makeup and gentle the Yahoo was captured by Nigeria soldier last year. They say you are crying. You've not started crying. Yes, you've not started crying. This period, you are going to well blood. As many of you that ganged up against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you almost fall for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Thank you so much. I remain your boy, Nelly Boy. He who laugh last, laugh the best. On the 27th of this month is the date scheduled for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case to be revisited. God bless us. Please don't keep to yourself. Share for others to see it. Repost, and God will bless you.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Let there be peace in Biafran land. Let there be peace. Peace is the solution to everything. Bye. Share this video.